Hi, quickly answering 9 questions in 90 seconds. Let us start. Question number 1. What is your firm's name? My firm's name is Akle Design Studio. What kind of projects do you do? I do all kinds of projects, residential, commercial, but basically right now I'm doing interiors of residential projects. Next, what are your pets' names? So I have two pets. The elder one is Whiskey, he's a male, and younger one is Leila, she's a female. What does your husband do? So my husband is a digital marketer. Next, how do you edit your videos? I use a software called Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos. How do you deal with irritating clients? I do not. I do not deal with irritating clients. मैं वो projects करती नहीं हूँ जिनके clients, जिनके owners जो होते हैं वो इतने irritating होते हैं. I do not do it. Next, mountain or beaches? आधा साल mountain, आधा साल beaches. I love both. Have you ever cried at a film? Yes. Yes, I have cried at every doggo film. कोई भी dogs वाली movie होती है, आखिरी में अगर वो तब मर जाता है मैं रोने लगती हूँ. What pisses you off? Irritating clients. Irritating clients pisses me off. नहीं होता. जो लोग टाइम पे काम नहीं करते, जो लोग टाइम पे पैसा नहीं देते, that pisses me off. Okay, these were 9 questions in 90 seconds. मेरे बच्चों का अकाउंट, मेरे हस्बैंड का अकाउंट और मेरा फर्म का अकाउंट तीनों में लिंक कर दूंगी, जाके फॉलो कर लेना. ओके, बाय.